stream of water from the mountains is called a river, which flows towards an ocean or sea. As this water which is going to flow from the mountains and is going to connect towards the oceans or sea. As it passes towards the ocean or sea, during the passage of the water towards the ocean and sea, students, it has three different stages. It passes through different three stages. It crosses. One is youthful, second one is mature, and the last one is old. As once again I am going to repeat, a natural downward stream of water. The water which is going to flow from the mountain downwards towards the ocean and sea. It flows, correct? But during this flow, it passes through three different stages. One is youthful, first one. Second one is mature, and the third one is old. Children, now coming to the, as I said, as the river water flows from the mountains toward downwards and it connects or it joins the sea or the ocean. During this, it crosses through different three stages. One is youthful, second one is mature, and third one is old. Now coming to the first one, we'll see youthful. The other name for the youthful is upper stage. What do we call? The youthful is the first stage of the river which flows from the mountains towards ocean or sea. During that, the first stage is upper stage or the youthful. We call it as youthful. And thus, the mountains makes the river flow down in greater speed and cutting through rocks and forms V-shaped valleys. Valleys here nothing but a low area of land between the hills and the mountains. The land, a low area of land which is between the hills and the mountains, we call it as valley. So in this, the steepness of the mountains makes the river flow in the greater speed. While this greater speed of the flow of the rivers, they flows through rocks and forms a V-shaped valleys, waterfalls and canyons. Canyons is a deep one with a river flowing throughout it. One with one deep gorge or one river is going to be separated with the other rivers, like how the plant roots will be there. In the same way, the rivers is going to be distributed while flowing. And the second one is mature stage. During this mature stage of a river, it begins when it leaves from the mountain, when the water flows downwards from the mountains and it enters the plain region. So it becomes broader and it is going to joined by the tributaries. Tributaries we already know. The big river joining the smaller rivers, we call it as tributary. Is it? So the speed of the river is going to decrease at this stage. When the river is going to join with the other tributaries, the speed of the river is going to decrease. And the river loops are called meanders, and the oxbow lakes forms at this stage is called oxbow lake. And coming to the last stage, that is third stage or the old stage. So the movement of the river becomes very sluggish. Here the sluggish is nothing but inactive. It will be cool, calm, doesn't make any noise. It will be in a movement in the slow motion. So the river flows very slowly, and when it enters the sea, so it is divided into smaller stream. Here the stream is nothing but small river. During the third stage or the old stage of river, the movement of the river becomes very slow and there will be no such voice, such sounds or such noises. It is going to flow very smoothly and it enters the sea. And when it branches out into the many, and it is going to separate through different streams called distributary. And delta is made by the river at this stage. Delta is nothing but a river divides into smaller rivers before flowing to the sea. I repeat, A delta is a river which divides the smaller rivers before flowing to the sea. We call it as delta. Then the world's largest delta is the Sundarban Delta, which is formed by the Ganga Brahmaputra rivers in India. So the Sundarban Delta, which is formed by Ganga Brahmaputra rivers in India, is the world's largest delta. So students, in today's class we studied two landforms. One is plains and there is rivers. So I should recall a vast stretch of flat and low level land is called a plain. And these are found along with the sea are called coastal plains. And it is helpful for the agricultural when it is got a fertile land. And it provides availability of water and land for construction, and it is a cradle which has all facilities in it. Next is the river. Rivers are the downward stream of water that flows from mountain, and it has, when it passes and enters to the ocean and sea, it passes through three stages. One is youthful, second one is mature, and the last is old. And the world largest delta is Sundarban Delta, which is formed by the Ganga Brahmaputra river in India. And delta is nothing but a river which divides into smaller rivers and before flowing to the sea. So in the live session, I am going to show you the through maps and the images how these three stages of river is formed. Okay, so please complete the worksheet, and thank you children.